How to find call recordings on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have enabled call recording on your iPhone. So to confirm, open settings and then tap on the apps option on the bottom of your screen. Further, tap on the phone option you see there and then go ahead and navigate to the call recording option and tap on it. Here, go ahead and make sure the call recording toggle button is enabled. And now, if you have recorded a call, then go ahead and open the Notes application on your device, as that is where all the call recordings are saved. Here you will see the call recording option, so tap on that and you can now listen to your call recording. So this is how you can find call recordings on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.